Hello to my Peppa Pig readers. How are you? Today I'm going to read Peppa's Storytime House book set. So let's see what is the book that we have to read today. We read Mummy Pig, we read Peppa Says Please, we read Daddy Pig, we read Sharon, we read Peppa, we read George, and we have here Happy and Surprise. Let's read Happy and Surprise. Surprise. Peppa and George are getting ready for Mummy Pig's birthday. Oh, today is Mummy Pig's birthday. Let's get started. Alright. First they put 10 cake ingredients in a bowl. Then they give the mixture 9 stirrs and Daddy Pig does the rest. Wow, guys, Mummy Pig, what a lot of post. She has 8 birthday cards and 7 parcels. Hooray! George has found the party things. There are 6 party hats. Time for quick tidy up. Peppa, George and Daddy Pig put 5 toys in the toy basket. Peppa helps Daddy Pig with the decoration. They blew 4 balloons. Daddy Pig puts 3 candles on the cake. No peeking, Mommy, says Peppa. Here comes 2 birthday visitors, Granny and Grandpa Pig. Peppa holding something extra special. One big present for Mommy. Surprise! Everyone cheers. Happy birthday, Mommy. Wow, Mommy Pig gasps. Thank you all. The end. I hope you love the story. We will see you again with another beautiful story soon. Till then, love you all. Bye-bye.
Booktube Kids.